Hello. Hello. Be seated. To the University President, Dr. Nemisho Loayon, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Lady Sol Suazo, to the Campus Director of NIMSO Bislig, Forrester Wilson C. Pasos, to the distinguished faculty and staff of NIMSO Bislig, proud parents, family, and friends of the graduates, ladies and gentlemen of Class 2023, for the privilege of speaking to you this afternoon, I am honored and grateful. I certainly do struggle finding the wisdom to share on you today. In fact, you caused me insomnia for the past few days. Yeah, will you believe that? Nagka-insomnia pa ako. And of course, I can't say no to your panggamhanan, the faculty in NEMSO Bislig, my mentors and now good friends in my alma mater, USEP Bislig, which currently known as NEMSO Bislig. No matter what the name is, I am still warmly embraced by the Spirit, and it is still the same, unchanging. Firstly, as I begin this an-hour speech, an hour po ito, okay lang po ba? Well, I've got to tell you a secret. Nagkakaroon pa po kami ng tawaran over the time for this. But don't worry, I was able to set my mental alarm clock for this, and this will only go for 5 minutes. Will that be fine? 5 minutes? Will you lend your ears to me for 5 minutes? Well, Batch 2023, I would like to join Dr. Loayon for confirming you guys as graduates. And of course, for congratulating you as you made it this far. Another milestone served. For that, I'll ask you to tap your shoulder. I'll ask you to tap your shoulder and say, screen please. Finally, graduate na gid ka. Can you do that? Oh, I can't hear you. Finally, graduate na gid ka. True enough. That is such a consoling phrase after all those academics ups and downs you've been through. The side hustles experienced by some, the sleepless nights, walang humpay na sleepovers, kaakibat ang walang katapusang group studies. The semester end tensions, kung naapa ba sa lista sa PASAR, kung hagbong na ba or wala pa. Tama ba, graduates? And this is significant. In this significant win in your lives, graduates, I am genuinely celebrating with you. Few days ago, I did crowdsourcing, asking what is the most famous expression for this batch, and this came out here on the screen. What's that? Oh, I can't hear you again. Ana na lang. Oh, mo gina yung expression, no? Ana na lang. And this caught my attention because it seems mediocre, di ba? Kung atong paminawon, it's at the mediocre sense. But when I asked about the context of it, someone answered and said, Miss, mura siya something like whatever college life throws at you. Dawat-dawat, unya sukol. Ana lang ang kinabuhi, so sukol. So, graduates, ana na lang. What a valiant field spirit, right? Dearest graduates, we want you all to keep that character in you. As you continue to venture into another challenging premises of life, the real world outside the cradle of your alma mater may appear insurmountable, but I'll tell you, you are all fighters. Imagine, you even made it this far. At this point of your life, you conquered 3 wins already. First, a win over your university life. Second, a win for your promise to your parents that you'll make it. And lastly, a win that gives you the sense of fulfillment. And with that, I'll say, triple kill. Yeah. Ang linyahang triple kill. But I am certain that you won't just settle for triple kill type of win. Am I right? Ayaw nyo ng triple kill lang, tama ba? We all aim to be legendary. Okay. Yet the challenge is, how can we be legendary? And can we be a defining feature of the modern world? A significant and relevant being in the 21st century? With that, allow me to walk you through with the evolution of the partner nating lahat sa panahon ng pandemic, the mobile networks. Kasi before nag-5G network, it undergone into 1G, 2G, naging 3G, 4G, hanggang naging 5G siya. So before the 5G network was launched, it all started with, of course, 1G. An analog type of technology in the 80s, which I believe naabutan lahat ng mga andito sa harap. Tama ba, ma'am and sir? And then, of course, some advancements were made in the 2G. And then 3G, which is speed capabilities up to 2 Mbps. Sa panahon na yan, napakabilis na. It enables smartphones to provide faster communication. Here comes the network na naabutan nating lahat, which is 4G. With its high data transfer rates, gave us access to mobile videos with low buffering. And of course, right now, we are enjoying 5G in some areas. 5G network was launched early in the 2020 with its goal to provide significantly faster speed, a minimum of 1 gigabyte per second, or perhaps 10 gigabyte per second. This evolution of network can be likened to our learning evolutions. Dati-rate, copy and solve it lang ang linyahan ng mga teachers. And then, it turned out na into picturean na nato. Am I right? Picturean na till nag-web browsing na ang uso, hangtod, of course, you met your buddies. Intugan na lang mo, kay graduate naman mo, katong si Photomath. Tama? Photomath, and the other one is our friend ng lahat, ChatGPT, for the essays. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, before I'll end this speech, allow me to share this simple life formula. My version of 5G network that I continuously allow myself to stay connected with. So meron akong version ng 5G. For us to be legendary in whatever realms we are in, we got to have 5G. First, 1G. Ano yan? Goal. Yes. This is your driving force. Know where you're heading to. So, ma-fall man, sa maling tao, ma-fall man, madiskarel man saglit, yet stand up and be reminded with your goals. Okay? Now, graduates, the second G, 2G, is guts. Okay? I'll tell you, you got to have this partner with your goal. God stands for the courage in dealing with danger and uncertainty. You'll face a lot of those in the future. So stay grounded in your guts and goals. Third, 3G, grit. Okay, this is your undying courage. Guts may deplete, but grit never will. So keep that passion and perseverance for long-term and meaningful goals. Fourth, 4G, gratitude. The most powerful human emotion. So wherever life may bring you, learn to be grateful. Huwag lumimot, huwag lumaki ang ulo. Give back, appreciate what you have in the present, do not take it for granted, and maintain that positive outlook in you. And lastly, 5G, God. Allow Him to be the center of your desires. Allow Him to be your partner and strive to know Him along the way. Remember, when all else fail, God never will. Class 2023, choose your network, be connected with the valuable 5 Gs, your goal, guts, grit, gratitude. Oh, I can't hear you. What are those 5 Gs? Goal, guts, grit, gratitude, and God. Aim for more than just a comfortable existence. Aim to make a significant distinction. Again, congratulations and mabuhay kayong lahat.